Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today I'm going to be reviewing the GoPro Hero 5. I've recently upgraded to a Hero 9 and I do kind of miss my Hero 5, and I'll tell you something, I listed it for sale on eBay and it sold straight away. Straight away someone bought it. Like the Hero 5 Sessions footprint is just a tiny cube, it's lighter, it's smaller. Now the one reason you want a Hero 5 Session is that it is small. Like if you're a biker kind of dude, you stick it on your head and you kind of like just go. And the second reason why, it actually has a better battery life than the Hero 9. That's right, with my GoPro Hero 5 Session. Now, that guy was lasting an hour and 20 minutes all the time. Gonna come up with the problems, but all the time, this guy only lasts an hour. I think I can get maybe more juice out of it if I disable the front screen or something like that. But it's got a bigger battery, but it only lasts an hour. So I was confused about that. And the GoPro Hero 5, I struggle to notice the improvement in the camera quality with the Hero 9. Like maybe the Hero 9 is 10 or 20% better, but it's all to do with light levels. Low light, they're both gonna suck. And the features that you get on the Hero 9, like the 4K and the 5K recording, like it constantly overheats, so you have to not use that. And the software hasn't improved, it's just as bad on the Hero 5 Session. Even though it's USB-C, it seems to be transporting very, very slowly. Now the only reason why I'd say not to consider the Hero 5 Session, I never experienced this. Again, I had this guy for a few years and the battery life was solid, but the problem with it is that it's not a user replaceable battery. So the battery that you get in a Hero 5 is the battery you're gonna get, and once the battery starts to degrade, you can't do anything about that. So that's the main reason why I sold my Hero 5. How long will it take to degrade? Maybe if you're constantly using it and charging it, using it, basically you buy a device to use it, then you probably need one of these guys with a serviceable battery. Look at this, you unplug it, the battery slots in there. With the Hero 5, I have seen some people hack it. And you can always get a USB adapter with a battery pack on top of it, but it'll make it just as heavy as this guy, so why do you want to do that? But you can always get that to extend the longevity of your Hero 5. But unfortunately, you can't replace the battery, and that's maybe the major reason why you don't want a Hero 5. But generally, if you get it for cheap, this guy's a lot more expensive than what I sold my Hero 5 for. So if you get it for cheap and you just want to go into the whole action camera to record your cool experiences of...
Woo! We are just on the jet ski.
We're going to the cruise ship. We're gonna try hitching a ride. Right next to the boat, babe.
Whoa.
Hero 5 Session, I do miss that guy, but something to know is that even though this is slightly bigger and heavier, you don't actually notice it. I've gotten used to it. Maybe if you're a little kid or a little person, or maybe if you're sensitive to weight issues, then you might want to go to get the Session and just recycle it. After 2 years, just sell it on and then buy a new one, and that is it. So I hope you guys found this amazing long-term review of the Hero 5 Session. Let me know what action camera you guys are using out there in the world, and I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Wow, look at that amazing adapter. It's so useful.
I'm really excited about this one. This one should be for mounting on things like cars. Look at that.
Broken already? Yeah, I want that on my car. Bug City. Bug City. Bug City. Bug City. crashed.